Welcome to Daily Bible Benefits. Today is Thursday, October 12th. On this day in 1492, after sailing across the Atlantic Ocean, Italian explorer Christopher Columbus sights a Bahamian island. He went ashore the same day and claimed the land for Spain. Today on the broadcast, I'll be talking about Dorcas restored to life. Acts chapter 9, verses 36 through 43. Now there was at Joppa a certain disciple named Tabitha, which by interpreting is called Dorcas. This woman was full of good works and almsdeeds, which she did. And it came to pass in those days that she was sick and died, whom when they had washed, they laid her in an upper chamber. And forasmuch as Lydda was nigh to Joppa, and the disciples had heard that Peter was there, they sent unto him 2 men, desiring him that he would not delay to come to them. Then Peter rose and went with them. When he was come, they brought him into the upper chamber, and all the widows stood by him, weeping and showing the coats and garments which Dorcas made while she was with them. But Peter put them all forth, and kneeled down and prayed, and turning him to the body said, Tabitha, arise. And she opened her eyes, and when she saw Peter, she sat up. And he gave her his hand and lifted her up, and when he had called the saints and widows, presented her alive. And it was known throughout all Joppa, and many believed in the Lord. And it came to pass that he tarried many days in Joppa with one Simon a tanner. Don't let hurts hurt you. Rejections, defeats, and failures that all of us have experienced can create enough negative feelings to destroy us. Be careful. Often the most painful words are not the scars that are outwardly seen, but the hidden wounds deep in the heart. Being hidden, they are often the most dangerous setbacks in our lives, can take the joy out of living. Our faith is weakened, and if we collect enough hurts, it will stop us from wanting to press forward. Even success can make one the target of criticism. Do not let the hurts hurt you. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Bible Benefits. Have a good and godly day.